Eating for optimal health. The egg is a staple food in many households and is a highly nutritious and versatile ingredient. It is a rich source of high-quality protein and is considered one of the most complete sources of protein available. Eggs are also abundant in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B12 and D, iron, and choline. One of the main health benefits of eggs is their ability to help maintain healthy eyesight. The yolk of the egg is particularly rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are known to help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs are also a great food for weight management. They are low in calories and high in protein, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Eating eggs for breakfast can help control hunger throughout the day and prevent overeating. Eggs are also a great food for brain function. The choline in eggs is essential for brain development and function, and research has shown that consuming choline-rich foods like eggs can improve memory and cognitive function. In conclusion, eggs are a nutritious and delicious food that should be a staple in any healthy diet. They are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals and offer a range of health benefits, including maintaining healthy eyesight, promoting weight management, and improving brain function.